Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 2. We'll present the results of the rambutan farmer interviews. So let me introduce our group member, Rolis Apriliawati with student number 71, Muhammad Irsyad with student number 80, Arifan Hanani with student number 81. Rambutan plant. Rambutan is a tropical plant that is easy to grow and develop. Rambutan is widely planted around people's homes. The fruit, which is identical to the pears, is already common in society. Pests and diseases can cause losses for plants that can damage crops and for farmer, namely reducing crop yields or farmer income. So, we must be able to control pests and disease on rambutan plants. There are a pest and plant disease that attacking rambutan trees in location. First, pet or kelelawar. Second, fruit borer. And then Spanish caterpillar or ulat jengkal, milliput or kutu putih, black ant, semut hitam, powdery mildew, penyakit embun tepung, leaf spot, penyakit bercak daun, and rotten fruit or penyakit busuk buah.
Okay, next, pests and disease in rambutan plant. Number 1, bats, Cynopterus brachiotis. Fruit bats usually attack ripe rambutan fruit. Although the amount of fruit eaten is small, it can reduce crop yield. Fruit bats attack rambutan trees at night. Fruit bats that eat rambutan will leave pit marks that can damage the fruit. Number 2, fruit borer caterpillar, Orchiochrysid functiferalis. The fruit borer caterpillar attacks both young and ripe rambutan fruit. The fruit becomes dry and black. Number 3, caterpillar, Orberta chrysolimate. Pests eat young leaves, so the leaf margin become dry, curly, and yellow-brown. Next. Number 4, wet fly or mealybug. The mealybug causes abnormal plant growth. The fruit that is attacked will grow up normally, fall off easily, and the fruit will turn black. The mealybug attacks the rambutan plant by sucking the plant sap. Number 5, black ant, Dolichoderus thoracicus. Black ants can cause rambutan fruit to rot when ripe physiologically. Ants will flock to ripe fruit because they are attracted by the aroma and sugar content in the fruit. Number 6, powdery mildew disease. The cause of the disease is a fungus species Oidium sp. Early infection of the disease on the fruit will cause fruit development to be slow, deform, necrosis, and fruit heads become short. As a result, the affected fruit will turn brown and black. Next. Number 7, leaf spot. This disease is caused by the organism Cephalosporus sp, which attacks odd leaves, which are characterized by small spots on the leaf surface accompanied by orange fine fibers, which are a collection of spores. In fact, stem and leaf look like Tinea versicolor. This disease appears in the rainy season. And then last, rotten fruit. Rambutan fruit that has this disease show black and dry fruit. Fruit rot can attack young plants.
Control pests and diseases of rambutan carried out by informant. The plan carried out by the informant was only watering and fertilizing the rambutan plant is needed. Pest and disease control in rambutan plants is rarely carried out. The control carried out by the informant was only covering the fruit and picking the fruit affected by fruit rot disease. Next. Recommendation control program pests and disease of rambutan. Number 1 is physical and mechanical control. Control can be done by picking up pests using hands or the help of tools. For example, if a fruit bird or caterpillar is found in rambutan, we can take the pest and destroy it. In addition, we can prune branches of leaves that are diseased or on fruit that is attacked by pests, wrap the fruit or wrap it in plastic bags so that pests cannot lay eggs on the fruit or eat the fruit. Number 2 is technical culture. Technical culture is control preventive measure taken before a pest attack occur with the aim that the population does not increase the exceed the control threshold. Technical culture control includes sanitation and regular harvesting. Activities can decide the life cycle of pests and can reduce the intensity of pest attack. Next. Number 3 is biological control. Biological control is the control of plant pest organism by natural enemies or biological control agent. Use of entopathogenic fungus Bacteria bassiana to control mealybugs, and then the use of biopesticide of obstruent leaves of forest plant caterpillar, and then the use of natural enemies such as parasitoid can control pests. Parasitoid for plant caterpillar are Chopidosoma floridanum appenthales sp, Microclitis sp, Tachinidae and Braconidae, and other. Number 4 is chemical control. This method is recommended as the last alternative control because although it is effective in killing the target, it has effects that are harmful to environmental sustainability and human health. The use of insecticide with the effective ingredient profenofos to control caterpillar spawn, and then fungicide with active ingredient carbendazim at a dose of 0.4 cc liter of water to control fruit rot, and then sulfur-based fungicide to control powdery mildew. Okay, thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.